Video, as you can see, we have a 94 Chevy Caprice, and the problem that we're experiencing is a turn with no fire. So what I did was I had someone come over and do a voltage reader test, and the verdict was we were getting fire to the car. Through the car to the distributor cap, from the distributor cap, but nothing for sure coming out of the distributor cap. Everything inside the distributor cap, but nothing from the distributor cap. So what I did was I went ahead and removed the old distributor cap, and this is what it looks like. Not sure if it's even really bad or not, but that's what I went ahead and did. I'm trying to hurry up before the rain comes, so this is what I went and bought. And these are the numbers for the reference numbers for the parts. This here is the distributor cap button. And this here is the new distributor cap. That's the part number. Now, if you're anything like me, then you'll know. Well, if you have anything like me, then you'll know that these things are a hell of a needle in a haystack. So, supposedly, there's a 6.0 in here. And I went to O'Reilly's. Shout out to O'Reilly's though. But we had no luck finding the said distributor cap or button. So what I did was I went to AutoZone. Shout out to AutoZone. And after no luck the first time, we went back, we tried again, and we found one under a 1988 Camaro 5.7-liter engine, which is supposed to be a 6.0 in here, so I'm not sure. The details of that is pretty. If you're a mechanic, then you will know all that should be interchangeable. So what I did was I went ahead and got this. Now I'm gonna show you how to replace it. Oh, and for y'all that don't know or may be unfamiliar with me, this here is my own personal YouTube account I'm posting this under. So if you could like, comment, and subscribe, and go and check out my music. I make music, I'm an artist, so here's a little something to expect. And that's one of my singles, Legacy. You can go and check that out on YouTube, on my channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more helpful videos, just stick around. We may not have a lot of projects, but we have enough to. And the crazy thing is, I looked and looked and couldn't exactly find a how-to video of this exactly on YouTube. So I went ahead and took it upon myself to make one. And as you can see here, this is my setup. Car has been sitting and parked for some time, and I recently had some work done to it. It ran, drove, came here, parked it, set up for a few months, and now we're back at square one. Trying to kind of hurry up before the rain comes in, so bear with me. I'm gonna try to prop it up so you can see everything I'm doing in real time and in real motion. Now, the major problem most people would have with this would be the cause, the spark plug wires on the top of the distributor cap. But what I do, I seen someone number them, and that seemed to be kind of effective. But what if you get the numbers in the wrong spot or something? Then you're just out of luck. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take them off and replace as I go, and be sure to put them in the right spot. See if I can get this set up the right way. Then we're gonna get started. I'm trying to hurry up before this rain comes. It's kind of not wanting to do the video because I know I was short on time before this rain comes in. But I know it's people out there that would probably be in a bind. So I wanted to be a little helpful today, so I'm gonna try to make this work as best and as smooth as possible. Not only for you, but maybe for myself in future references. If I can get this set up the right way, I can go and get started. But there's nowhere to really set it up. I'm gonna have to make a spot. Already. I don't know where I can set it up. Let me see. I was expecting this video to be a little shorter and less talkative because I hate the videos that are long and talkative in the beginning, but y'all know how to skip all this. As long as you get the picture and the work. Sit there right there. don't have much room to work with either. But we gon' do what we can with what we can. Oh. And please be sure to put these in the right spot, because if not, you have a hard little time. I'm not sure if this should go this way or, I mean, the video that I seen said it would only go one way. Let's make sure the back one tighten up good enough. And we'll go and see what we got. And I forgot to mention in this video, you only gonna need maybe a 1/4 simple tools, 1/4 extension, and Phillips head. I just happen to luckily have one around and a small ratchet set because as you can see it's kind of tight to get off and out of there. And plug up your 2 injector connects. And that's it. Let's see what we got. Hopefully that's it.